This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Android tablet to the internet. So we can just swipe down from the top and we can see the internet option right here for Wi-Fi. And we can just hold down on here and we can just go to the settings page. Or we can just swipe on down from the top right and go to settings right here. Then go to Wi-Fi. Now choose your internet you want to connect to. So we have all these different options. We can just select one. And then we're going to have to type in the password for that specific internet. So for this one example, you can see the password pops up. And you might have your password for your internet located on your router. On the side, it will say the password for it. If you haven't changed it at all, it should remain the same. So I can go on over to mine right now and take a look at it. And it's some weird long code that I don't think I'm going to type in. But I'm already connected to the internet. And you can see the top one right there, it says connected. But type in your password, and then you can just go to connect right here, and you should be able to connect to it. So you can see when I'm connected here, it'll say connected. And then we can go to the eye, and we can look at all the different options on here if we want to share it, forget it, or disconnect, etc. So the signal strength is excellent. So very easy to connect. Also, you do have the option to share it under there, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.